Besides, they have lounge chairs. Who's lounging around an indoor pool?
After this chemical bath, what do you say we grab some fluorescent light? Breathe in some poisonous fumes, towel off with a dish rag?
Think about it. Maybe I'll buy you a drink from the vending machine. You want to leave bucks and quarters on you, dear. Whatever a stranger's doing in the hotel pool is immediately annoying, right? Like that guy that swims laps, and he was like, settle down, spin.
Stop it, Katie.
You're at the Ramada, not the Olympics. If you're a guy over the age of 30 by yourself,
Stop it.
you automatically look like a murderer who's just relaxing after he's threatened the family. That was a
Stop
tough
it.
one to kill.
What room are you staying in?
You ever been in the hotel pool and there's a couple in there making out?
You're making a lot of noise there, Katie. It's gonna come and